Hey guys, sorry for the shakiness of the camera, but I have officially finished sort of cleaning at my house, and I probably finally finished this probably about 3 weeks ago, but I've just been like putting it off, and I've had 3/4 of this video already filmed, and I just wanted to give you guys an update. And just really close this chapter of organising and decluttering. Yeah, okay, there's a few things that need to go back, and I need to just tidy up. But as I said, it's been a month. I've been through a lot in this last month, and I just want to go through and show you what I've done. As you know, this is my closet. This is where all my clothes were. You can see that they're in a different spot now. I went through and deep cleaned and organised what I have in here. So I've got all my jewellery and that sort of thing in here, just organised. Got my little baby box of stuff that when I see something cute, I put it in there. I've got all my containers for when I pack and stuff. So this is where I've got my TV all hooked up now. I've got, the last thing that you would have seen was I just finished organising my handbag box. This was my sewing box. I've definitely gone through and deep cleaned and organised all my sewing, all my patterns. So that's also been something I've been doing in the last month too. I've gone through and I went through all the old things that I started doing, and I finished a project. And I'll show you, they'll be, shortly coming. So look forward to that coming up in the next couple of videos. I've got the bedroom / lounge room. This is the entrance to my house. So just a few sewing things. I actually recently went back to Adelaide to visit my family. So there's a few, suitcases and stuff lying out. As you can see, I've got my clothes in here now with a few things that I need to actually iron and put up. So that's why they're just folded neatly put aside. I've got my bed. You can probably see that I've got a few, I've got to put batteries in this, but I've got a new thing now where I can just turn on battery operated thing, just to save some power. I'm really trying to be self-conscious about things that I spend my money on. As you may know, experience homelessness, and been struggling to keep this house ever since. Just work's not going very well at the moment, and just constantly trying to find ways to have an income and just keep on my feet. And that's been probably one of the things why this video has taken so long to come out, is that I've been facing that. My income, as I said, has been not so good, and why should I be cleaning if I'm going to be evicted soon. So I hope that's not the case, but that's where I am now. I'm fighting an eviction because I've got no income coming in, which is really, really shit because I've tried so hard to not be in that position. But it's good that like Christmas is coming up, and there's definitely, like, you know, I work at a supermarket job, of course there's jobs. So it's a matter of whether I stay where I am at the moment, or I find a job at another store. But yeah, so I thought I'd just give you a quick overview. Like, it's 90% done, like it's 100%. I'm 100% confident in saying that my tidying, cleaning and decluttering is done. It's just a matter of putting things back in their spot after I finish being done with them. So now I can, like, just do my 10-minute like power clean, or an hour if it's, you know, needs a good vacuum once a week kind of thing. It's just, it's such a small house. But yeah, so I'll leave you the last of hopefully cleaning videos from me, and I hope you enjoyed this series, and I'm very happy to, like, put the lid on this chapter of my life and get back into, like, homeless videos or sewing videos, or just, yeah, my future is very open to what I'll be doing next with this channel and what sort of content I'll be creating. So I've got a lot of things that I want to do, and hopefully you'll see them soon.